Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important in our digital age: reducing screen time. Whether you're glued to your phone, stuck in front of a computer, or binge watching TV, screens are a huge part of our lives. But too much screen time can have some serious downsides, from eye strain to disrupted sleep. So let's talk about some practical tips to help you cut down on screen time and reclaim your day. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Set screen time limits. Most smartphones have built-in features that allow you to monitor and limit your usage. On iPhones, you can use screen time to set daily limits for apps. Android users have digital well-being. Decide on a reasonable amount of time you want to spend on each app and stick to it. This helps create awareness about how much time you're actually spending on your device. Tip number 2. Schedule screen-free time. Designate certain parts of your day as screen-free zones. This could be during meals, the first hour after you wake up, or the last hour before bed. Use this time to engage in other activities like reading, exercising, or spending quality time with family and friends. Try starting your day without checking your phone. Instead, have a healthy breakfast, read a book, or go for a walk. At night, wind down with some relaxation techniques instead of scrolling through social media. Tip number 3. Create no-screen zones in your home. This could be the dining room, bedroom, or any area where you want to focus on non-digital activities. Keep your phone, tablet, and other devices out of these areas to help reduce temptation. Having a no-screen zone can help improve your focus and make your home feel more connected. For example, the dinner table is a great place to start. Use this time to have meaningful conversations without the distraction of screens. Tip number 4. Use apps that help reduce screen time. Yes, there are apps for that. Apps like Forest and Moment encourage you to stay off your phone by rewarding you for the time you spend away from your screen. With Forest, you can grow a virtual tree that flourishes the longer you stay off your phone. Moment tracks your usage and provides insights to help you cut down. These tools turn reducing screen time into a fun and engaging challenge. Tip number 5. Engage in physical activities. Exercise is a great way to take a break from screens. Whether it's going for a run, joining a fitness class, or simply stretching at home, physical activity can reduce your urge to check your phone. Physical activities not only help reduce screen time, but also boost your mood and energy levels. Find something you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Tip number 6. Practice mindfulness and meditation. These practices help you become more aware of your screen habits and can reduce the impulse to constantly check your devices. Mindfulness and meditation can be powerful tools in managing screen time. Apps like Headspace and Calm offer guided meditations that help you focus and relax without the need for screens. Tip number 7. Limit notifications. Notifications can be a major distraction and lead to increased screen time. Turn off non-essential notifications or set them to Do Not Disturb mode during certain times of the day. Go to your phone's settings and turn off notifications for apps that aren't crucial. This simple step can significantly reduce interruptions and help you stay focused on the task at hand. Tip number 8. Find alternative hobbies. Discover new activities that don't involve screens. This could be anything from cooking and crafting to playing a musical instrument or gardening. Having a hobby you're passionate about can divert your attention from screens and provide a sense of accomplishment. Plus, it's a great way to learn new skills and have fun. Tip number 9. Use technology wisely. When you do use screens, make sure it's for productive purposes. Set specific goals for your screen time, like learning something new or connecting with loved ones. Using screens intentionally can help you make the most of your time online. For example, Limit social media usage to certain times of the day and use your phone for educational purposes, like taking an online course. Tip number 10. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can lead to increased screen time and vice versa. Make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and avoid screens at least an hour before bed to improve sleep quality. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine that doesn't involve screens. Read a book, listen to calming music, or practice some gentle stretching to prepare your body for rest. Tip number 11. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to track how much screen time you're saving and how you're spending that extra time. Reflecting on your progress can be motivating and help you stay on track. Regularly tracking your screen time reduction efforts can help you stay accountable and see the benefits of your hard work. Celebrate your milestones and reward yourself for sticking to your goals. Tip number 12. Be patient and persistent. Reducing screen time is a gradual process, and it's important to be patient with yourself. Celebrate small victories and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Remember, every little step counts. It's all about making consistent progress over time. Be kind to yourself and keep pushing forward. So there you have it. 12 tips to help you reduce your screen time and lead a more balanced, fulfilling life. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and making small, sustainable changes. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.